chicken breast, all washed, and I'm about to slice it now. So here is my spices. In the chicken I already have my curry. So here is my cube, my rosemary, some salt, garlic, shallot, red onions, and thyme. I'm using fresh thyme. So let's get those in there. Here are my veggies ready for saute. So here is my chicken. It's been cooking for a good, say, 7 minutes now. So I'm gonna bring it down 10 minutes. So in here I have my extra olive oil, everything keto compliant. So I'm going in and just chicken. Here I have this golden brown. So in the same oil that I used for my chicken, I'm going to be going in with my veggies. So I'm going to leave that for a few minutes. In here, so I'm fixing the chickens into the skewer. Please, if you're new to this channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel as I bring you everything lifestyle, healthy eating, events, vlogs, and everything real as real gets. The only thing I don't do here is gossip. I don't have time to carry gossip gist, but aside from that, subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay tuned. It's been a while that I posted a video, so I thank all my coming back subscribers, people that come back to watch, and my new subscribers too. I am extremely grateful. Thank you all. So I'm trying to fix the meat and the veggies. I ended up eating two because I peeped into the other one, so I had to keep one stick in the fridge. I couldn't even finish everything. When you are dieting, at a point your stomach starts adjusting to eating like a baby. Even though I still eat, not really small, but not the way I used to eat. So I'm on a weight loss journey, so I'm trying to encourage everyone out there who wants to shed some pound but doesn't know how to start. These are easy food that you can get and start from somewhere. You can make it a lifestyle because it's not about losing the weight but keeping the same body mass index for as long as lifetime takes, because if you're not careful you could bounce back easily. Okay, so let's eat everything healthy, and that's exactly what I'm bringing here. You need a lot of protein to slim down. You need fat if you're on keto diet. If you're not, protein is still really good, and veggies you need to lose that weight. Less carb, enough protein, enough veggies, and moderate fat, and you're good to go. So I'm gonna keep the remaining chicken and veggies. I hope you guys are seeing that. I'm gonna go in with more suya pepper just to give it that kick. Here I have my cocoa drink, my cocoa mix. I mix in with hot water. So now I'm going in with my almond milk. Doing this with my and some almond milk. So this is it for this video. Feel free to make this. I'm gonna use some hot water in here, then put my milk and then get down to my dinner. Feel free to make this for your lunch, dinner, breakfast, or snacks. So we've come to the end of this video for today. I hope you loved it. So give me a thumbs up or let me know what you think down below in the comment section. Have a good day. Enjoy your holidays. Merry Christmas and a happy, joyous, hopeful new year. Bye.